Well, it's Sunday. I'll do sort of a shop status report to let you know what's going on in the shop. It's 9:30 in the morning. Kevin came down around 8 o'clock, and we've been working on this little BSA C15 to get it running, and we were just successful. So it's running and ready to go back to its owner. Oops, let's go there. Isn't it a cute little thing? So it runs now. That's nice. The gold bike is complete, ready to go back to its owner. I'll give them a ring Monday, Tuesday to let them know they can come get it. The Fred's still sitting here with his guts hanging out. That might be something I can get to maybe in the next week or so. Anyway, the black Norton, 75 Norton, is back on the lift. And it's complete except for the parts that were on order, which have arrived. Padronix electronic ignition, solid state rectifier and regulator. Put that on. This is the assimilator that operates the ignition light up on the dashboard. And this guy goes in here. He's going to be mounted in here somewhere right about like this and connected to these wires. So that goes in there. I haven't really decided where I'm going to mount this, but I will. These are the new lengths of herringbone that I bought. They're actually used, I think. Maybe not. I got them on YouTube. And I'll make the new oil line over here to replace the one that had the unnecessary anti-drain down valve in it. So that'll be done. And at that point, we'll be ready to dress out the bike and do a first start. So this is on the lift, and I'm not sure I'll get to it today. It's Sunday. I've got so much stuff to do to the RV to get it ready for my trip to California that I might spend the next few hours out there doing stuff on that. Anyway, so this is a status report of the shop, and looking good.